If you have a bottle of wine that doesn't taste great, there are several ways you can improve the flavor. For white wine, try storing it in the freezer before drinking it chilled, or add ice cubes before serving it to dilute any unpleasant taste. Red wine can be kept in the refrigerator and taken out about an hour before opening to achieve a better temperature. Aeration is especially effective for improving red wines, but can make a difference for white wines as well. Pouring the wine into a decanter or letting it sit for an hour can help recover the flavor for this reason. And so can stirring or blending the wine. Shaking sealed, single-serving wine bottles can also help aerate them. Using the right wine glasses, pouring smaller amounts of wine, or blending different wines together can enhance the taste. Adding lemon or a little bit of sugar can balance out acidity or particularly dull flavors. Try adding carbonation with club soda or making a calimocho with red wine and Coca-Cola as other options to salvage a bad wine. Finally, adding fruits, brandy, or spices can turn your not-so-great tasting alcohol into a refreshing sangria or mulled wine.